Welcome! Today, we're jumping into a super practical playbook for using generative AI to support the two most important assets for any community organization, your people. We're talking about your volunteers and your donors and how these tools can seriously supercharge their experience. And just so you know where we're pulling all this from, everything we're about to cover comes directly from chapters 3 and 4 of the tutorial, Generative AI for Community Organizations. So we're zeroing in specifically on the plays for volunteer support and donor relations. Okay, so let's start with the question that is probably on everyone's mind. How can you possibly multiply your impact without also multiplying your workload? We all know that you're resource constrained. That's just the reality. And this is exactly where AI comes in, not to replace people, but to act as an incredibly powerful assistant. So our first play is all about empowering your volunteers. The whole idea here is to use AI to make their entire experience smoother and way more rewarding right from the get-go. This frees up your team for the stuff that really needs that human touch. First up, think about all those foundational documents you need just to get a new volunteer started. Onboarding guides, safety protocols, role descriptions, FAQs. These are absolutely essential for making someone feel confident and prepared. Instead of starting from a blank page, AI can generate a really solid first draft of all these materials in minutes. And the secret is just being practical. Look at this prompt. It's specific, it's super clear, and it asks for exactly what you need. In just a few seconds, you get a structured guide that you can then tweak with your organization's own unique voice. It's all about speed and consistency. Okay, so let's build on that and move to the logistics side of things, because this is where you can save a huge amount of time. I'm talking about scheduling and coordination. Those repetitive tasks that can just eat up your entire afternoon. This is where AI basically becomes your communications assistant. It can draft your shift schedules, create personalized reminder emails for every single volunteer, and even write those really important follow-up messages to say thank you and ask for feedback. And this is a perfect example of a great prompt. By giving it all the key details, the date, the time, location, even what to wear, you get a ready-to-send email. That kind of clarity, it cuts down on confusion and volunteer no-shows, which, as you know, is a massive win for any event. But it's not all just logistics. AI can also be your partner in recognition and engagement. It can help you draft those personalized thank you notes, write up spotlight features for your newsletter, or create announcements for volunteer anniversaries. It helps you consistently celebrate the people who make all your work possible. All right, let's switch gears and pivot to the second half of our playbook, deepening those donor relationships. Here, we're going to see how AI can level up your communication to build stronger, more meaningful connections with the people who fund your mission. It really all starts with the thank you. And a great thank you letter isn't complicated. It follows a pretty simple formula. You need a personal greeting, you mention the specific gift amount, you give a clear statement of impact, you show sincere gratitude, and finally, you offer a next step or an invitation. AI is absolutely brilliant at nailing this formula every single time. Just take a look at this prompt. It hits every single point from our formula. It specifies the amount, the exact impact, books for 20 children, the tone you want, and that all-important next step, an invitation to an event. You can generate a powerful, personalized draft just like this in seconds. But a strong relationship isn't built on just one thank you note, right? It's built over time. And this is where AI can be a total game changer for long-term donor stewardship, helping you keep that meaningful conversation going. This timeline right here lays it all out. It shows you exactly what that conversation can look like. An immediate thank you, then an impact update at 30 days, a personal story at 90 days. You get the picture. Planning and drafting content for all these different touch points is a ton of work, but AI can help you map it out and generate drafts for every single stage. And here's exactly how you bring that 90-day update to life. This prompt focuses on storytelling, a real success story, to show donors that their contribution is making a tangible difference. It's not just a transaction, it's a partnership in creating real change. And beyond just individual communication, AI can also act as your strategic partner for your entire fundraising campaigns. You can use it to brainstorm creative themes, map out your whole communication timeline, draft consistent messaging across emails and social media, and even summarize the campaign results for your follow-up reports. So, what's the big takeaway from all this? Well, The goal is to use AI to amplify, not automate, the heart of your mission. It's a tool to handle the routine, repetitive stuff so that you and your team have more time and energy for what really matters, building genuine relationships and connecting with your community. And that really brings us to a final, crucial question I want to leave you with. If AI is there, handling the routine tasks, what new possibilities can you and your team create? What new programs could you launch? What deeper relationships could you build? That is the real power of this technology.